Now next, governor. The governor of our Punjab is VP Singh Badnoor. The governor is the constitutional head of a state. Chief minister is the head of the state. Governor is the constitutional head of the state. The entire administration runs in his or her name. The governor is appointed by the President of India on the advice of the Council of Ministers, headed by the Prime Minister. The term of the governor is normally 5 years, mean tenure 5 years. However, the president has the powers to remove the person before his or her tenure gets over. The governor can also be reappointed for another term. Means governor also be reappointed for another term. The qualification of governor is the governor must be a citizen of India. It is must the person should be Indian. He or she should not be less than 35 years of age. Means age limit 35 years. The age limit of Vidhan Sabha is 25 years. Age limit of Vidhan Parishad is 30 years. And the age limit of governor is 35 years. He or she must not hold any office of profit. He or she must not be an elected member of the parliament, means MP, or any state legislative assembly, means MLA, must not be an elected. He or she must not be a resident of the state to which he or she has been appointed as a governor. Chief Minister. The Chief Minister of our Punjab is Captain Amrinder Singh. The leader of the party which has the majority in the assembly is appointed as the Chief Minister by the governor. The Chief Minister is then invited by the governor to form the new ministry. The Chief Minister selects the minister from among his or her colleagues in the legislature. These ministers form the Council of Ministers or the State Cabinet. Means the minister that are elected by the Chief Minister on the advice of the governor are known as Council of Ministers or State Cabinet. Powers and function of the CM. The Council of Ministers are appointed by the governor on the advice of the Chief Minister. The Chief Minister serves as a link between the Council of Ministers and the governor. Means CM plays an important role between the Council of Ministers and the governor. The CM coordinates the work of different departments. As the head of the legislature and the Council of Ministers, the Chief Minister holds the responsibility for the government of the state, means only handles the problem of the state. If a vote of non-confidence is passed against the government in the assembly, the entire ministry has to resign.